Welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese Food Kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you 6 vegetarian tofu recipes. Those are the material for making these 6 plates. Among these materials, there are 4 kinds of tofu products. Dried beancurd seeds, dried beancurd, smooth soft tofu, soya beancurd strips, and other vegetables and sauces are shown on the photo. You can take a look at each of the ingredients here. Why I use tofu for each of the plate? Because tofu is a vegetable protein. It is very nutritious. First, let's peel carrot and lobok, then wash them. Next, remove a few napa leaves from the napa and clean them. Then clean the peppers. Next, prepare warm water, add in white flour and salt in the water, and then soak broccoli and coriander mushrooms in the warm water for 10 minutes before we wash and rinse them. Then we rinse the frozen peas. Next, we cut mushrooms and half of this carrot into thin slices, and cut 1/4 bags of this tofu into thin slices too. Then tofu and the mushroom plate is ready to cook. Next, we get 2 blocks of tofu and cut into 8 slices for each block. Then rub a little bit salt, then a little bit potato starch on both sides of the tofu pieces. Now, tofu and the broccoli plate is ready to cook. Next, cut lobok and cut 1/4 bag of dried beancurd and cut the red pepper. Now, tofu and the lobok is ready. Cut the other half of carrot into thread, then open this dried beancurd strips, get about 1/3 of it. Cut the green pepper into small strips. Now, tofu and the carrot plate is ready. Next, get the other 2 tofu blocks and cut them into small cubes. Now, tofu and the peas plate is ready. Next, use the diagonal knife to cut napa pieces into small slices. Then cut red pepper and dried beancurd seed like this. Actually, you may cut into small strips. That would be easier. Next, cut coriander. Now, tofu and the napa plate is ready. In the boiling water, add in salt, then add in broccoli. Boil the broccoli for 1 minute. Heat skewing over medium heat. Then add in oil. When the oil is a little warmer, then lay out all the tofu pieces on the skewing. Turn the skewing. Let the oil spread out the whole bottom. Around 3 minutes, we check the tofu. Oh, the bottom is a little hard and the brown color. This tofu is a very soft one. When you put it in your mouth, it is a very smooth and good texture. So when we do a turnover, we need to do it very gently. Turn over each piece and then fry the other side. After the other side is well fried, then we add in broccoli. Then add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and then add in liquid potato starch. Then gently stir fry to mix everything well. Now, everything is well cooked. We turn off the heat and transfer the broccoli and the tofu into a plate. Wow, it's such a beautiful plate, and it's also very tasty. First, boil the dried beancurd strips in the boiling water for 2 minutes. Then tear them into small strips. Heat skillet and add in oil. Then add in green peppers and carrots. Stir fry, stir fry. Then add in salt. Stir fry, mix everything. When the carrots and the peppers getting a little white on the outside, then add in tofu strips. Add in soy sauce. Add in oyster sauce. Stir fry to mix everything well. Add in 1/4 cup of cold water. Then we stir the liquid potato starch in the bowl, stir, and add in to the skillet. Stir fry until the liquid is absorbed. Now we finished this plate. We transfer it to our plate. First, we boil the dried beancurd slices in the boiling water for 2 minutes. Heat skillet over medium heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add in carrot and the mushroom slices. Stir to mix everything. Then add in salt. Stir fry until the liquid come out from the mushrooms and the carrots. Then add in the tofu slices. Stir fry a little bit. Add in light soy sauce. Add in oyster sauce. Stir fry. Stir fry about a couple of minutes until mushroom and carrot slices are soft enough. Then add in coriander pieces. Then add in liquid potato starch. Stir fry until the liquid is absorbed by the stuff. Now we transfer it to a plate. First, heat the skillet and add in oil. Then add in slices red peppers. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in low bulk strips. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in salt. Stir fry again. When the low bulk is white a little bit, then add in the dried beancurd slices. Stir fry again. Add in sugar. Add in light soy sauce. Add in oyster sauce. Stir to mix everything well. Then add in liquid potato starch. Stir first, then add in. Stir fry until the liquid is absorbed by the stuff. Now we transfer it to the plate. First, heat the skillet and add in oil. Then add in red pepper slices to stir fry. Stir fry for half a minute, then add in napa slices. Stir fry, stir fry. Add in salt. Stir fry about another half a minute. Then add in the dried beancurd seed pieces. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in little soy sauce, and vinegar. Stir fry everything. Add in coriander pieces. Then add in liquid potato starch. Stir until the liquid is absorbed. Then transfer it to a plate. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt in the boiling water. Then add in the tofu cubes in the boiling water. This method is to remove the bad taste from tofu. After half a minute, take out tofu. Heat the skillet and add in oil. Then add in 1½ teaspoon of peas and broad bean paste. Stir fry the bean paste for half a minute. Then add in tofu cubes. Stir fry tofu and the broad bean paste. Make sure the bean paste are dropped off from a wooden turner. Add in sugar. Stir fry again. Then add in 2 cups of cold water. Stir to mix everything well. Add in peas. Add in light soy sauce. If you like spicy, you may add in some chili oil. I found the tofu cube is a little bigger. I used the fork to separate in the middle, make them small cubes. Now stir and add in the liquid potato starch. Stir fry until the liquid is thick enough. Then transfer it into a plate. Now our 6 plates are ready. Tell me, which plate would you like? I'm going to be very happy if you tell me you like all these plates. Thank you for your coming. If you like my recipes, you may subscribe to my channel. Take care and keep well. See you next time.